Guys, we're gonna do a couple pork tenderloins on a very loud Ninja Foodi XL grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. We're talking a little louder today. I've actually went ahead and preheated the XL grill. Kind of want to get moving and grooving on this one, so I don't want to wait to start preheating after we've already shot the intro. Okay, so it's a little bit louder in here. You know, it is what it is. It's a big fan in a box. Of course, it's gonna be loud. Before we get started, let's get the housekeeping out of the way. If you're a returning member of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you can get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right. So, like I said in the intro, we are doing some pork tenderloins today. We're gonna do it grilled style. We're gonna use our Sear N Sizzle plate from GrillGrates. And again, I'll put a link down below for that. And we're gonna use kind of like a little barbecue grilling change up on this one. We're gonna use some KosmosQ, a little hot dirty bird, little honey killer bee, and this stuff right here. It's rib glaze, maple bourbon rib glaze. So I did this on some ribs. They turned out amazing, okay? So I figured, you know what, this is gonna be amazing on these pork tenderloins. Got a little sweet heat thing going on right now, which you know I love. All right, we're gonna use the temperature probe. We're gonna set it for the pork setting. I'm gonna cook it to 140 internal, and then we're gonna pull it out, let it rest, come up to about 145, and that's kind of where you want to be based on the USDA guidelines for pork, right? So the one thing we need to do, get these pork tenderloins out of the package, do a little trimming. There's some silver skin on there. So let's get over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island, and let's get started. Okay, so you're looking at these tenderloin pieces that came in two. So we're gonna just kind of look at this, trim off any silver skin. You see this right here. We get a close-up of that. Got that silver skin. We're gonna trim all that off. Same thing over here. Get yourself a sharp knife. You want to get underneath that skin. Try to get it as close to the meat as possible, so you're not wasting meat. Okay. Same thing over here. Just take your time with it. And this knife right here is a fillet knife from Doll Strong, their new Frostfire series. I am digging this. I mean, as sharp as can be. If you guys want to get one, down below, link in the description. I am an affiliate for them, and there is a coupon code, get you 10% off, so make sure you check that out. This little nubby right here, I'm just gonna peel off completely. Now this new cutting board thing here, this was sent to me by KosmosQ too. It's one-time use cutting boards, so I figured might as well give it a go. I'm getting a little too close to the meat in that one, but oh well. We got two. I'm not a professional meat trimmer guy. So just do the best you can. Okay. These little strings of sinew and fat and all that good stuff. Doesn't have to be perfect. So this is the bigger of the two. I'm gonna put the probe in this one right in the fat part in the middle right here. Just gonna slide it right into the middle. Okay, and we'll get that on the grill. This one right here, let's just start peeling off that silver skin. Okay, and you're just gonna come back on it. Real simple. Just try to get it under as much as possible. Get as close to the meat as possible. And watch those fingers. This little nubby right here, I'm gonna take off too. Put that to the side. Get this little bit in the back. Okay. Good stuff, good stuff. Piece of cake. Right. Good. There's a little bit right here. Okay, good enough. Good stuff. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get our hot dirty bird on there, and we're gonna get our honey killer bee. Okay. So always keep a clean hand and then a gloved up hand or a dirty hand. We're gonna do the honey killer bee on there first. Nice light coat. These are not big pieces of meat right here, so you don't need to go overboard. We got a little hot dirty bird. You know, I like that sweet heat vibe on my on the proteins. It's killer on wings, I'll tell you that right now. Okay, so that one's done. Put that to the side. Bring this bad boy over here. Take that thermometer out while we dust it up. We'll go in backwards order on this one. All right, we're preheating this done. And when you're using barbecue rub, remember you don't rub it in, just pat it on, okay? All right, get this one with the honey killer bee. Just use the board, help sop up the rest of it. Okay. Let's get this probe back in the original spot. Okay. Good. All right, let's get it into the grill. All right, let's get these tenderloins on right now. That sizzle. I'm pushing it down on the grates to make sure we get maximum contact there. I'll get the other one in. Again, pushing it down, maximum contact. Shut it down. I have the timer set for 20 minutes, but it really should only take like maybe 10, I think. Don't quote me on that, we'll see. Remember, we cook to internal temperature, not time, okay? All right, let's shut this down and make it happen. All right, guys, we're about 5 minutes in. I'm gonna go ahead and change these up, just change positions. You know, we're always going for those cool grill marks. Make sure we got good contact. Good. All right, got another 60 degrees. We are right at 140, but I am gonna do one thing real quick. I'm gonna show off them grill marks. Look at that. All right, and then I'm gonna add a little of this rib glaze to it, and you will have to clean your grate. Just get it on there. All right, we're gonna give it just a quick hot second with some heat on it, just to kind of set that glaze, and then we'll be ready to go. Just 30 seconds. I mean, nothing more than that, okay? Okay, that was a quick 30 seconds. Smells good. It's gonna be tasty. Let's get this off the grill and we'll get them sliced up, get them ready for the thumbnail, and then we'll try it. Okay, we're over on the cutting board. I'm gonna let these rest just a little bit longer, and then we'll start slicing into them. But this is a great look. This is a great picture right there. Look at those grill marks. Looking good, looking tasty. I love it. You love it. GrillGrates did the dang thing. Love it, love it, love it. All right, let it rest, and then we'll come chop it up. All right, guys, let's slice up this one right here. Check out how juicy it is. You can see the juices running all over the cutting board. Smells so good. It is so hot. Oh man, that's funny. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that glaze to it. Let's see if you can get that. See, it's juicy. The juice is loose. You know it's good. You know it. Juice is all over the cutting board. All right, guys, we are all done. I showed you the juice is loose. This is so good. I mean, I don't even know which side to start with. You know it's good. Man, that's some good stuff right there. Gotta try that glaze. Gotta try them seasonings. It's freaking money in the bank, guys. And I'll definitely put a link down below for Kosmos stuff. All right, it's freaking awesome, all right? Okay, so if you guys want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, you know the links are down below. Knives, cutting boards, merch, all that good stuff. Links down below. Hit show more underneath the video. They're all affiliate links that don't cost you any more to use. In fact, a couple of them have coupon codes, and it helps out the channel. Okay? If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real, hit that join button. Got some tiers, got some behind the scenes stuff. At the very least, you get your name at the end of the videos on the scroll. It's good stuff, all right? Again, it helps out the channel. So until the next one, I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.